welcome back to the channel. I know this is like super long overdue. I've been like, super busy. Tonight I have a little extra time, actually like maybe 30 minutes to record this video or so. Hopefully it comes out good. So the video I need to record for you guys is pretty much what's done to the Supra so far to make about 500 wheel horsepower, give or take. So first I'll do a quick walk around of the car. I got vanity plates, finally came in. I got the chassis mount wing. I got one of those little duckbill spoiler thingies. At the wheels, I believe it's 305s in the back, 285s in the front, so it's very aggressive. I'm gonna pop my hood. I was about to wash the car. I'm about to pop the hood real quick. I got just lip attachment in carbon fiber right here. Then I got Saber's design lip over it. So like technically this is not supposed to fit, but I made it work. So technically I would assume I'm the only person right now even running this kind of setup. Have the side skirts. I always like the double-ended side skirts instead of just ending short like stock Supras. One day I might get the little garnish piece that goes here. I got this back spats. This little diffuser looking situation is very thin. It's just directly under the car. And yeah, that's pretty much the walk around for the back. This is from Battle Arrow, I believe. I always wanted this for my Civic, but I finally put it on the Supra because why not? It looks okay with the Supra. At first I wasn't sure how the back view will be. I got used to it. That's not my favorite view, but like driving, looking out my mirror, just seeing that is pretty, well, I can't really see it. Seeing that is pretty gnarly. The top view and everything. My interior is pretty basic. Haven't got there yet. One day, maybe for the summertime, I'll do an engine bay setup. And if I ever do coilovers, I might do coilovers and then what is that? I forgot, this is a BMW. What is that thing called? Coilovers and air cups maybe. I have to clean on the hair. All hair is all dusty. But anyways, the way I got my 500 horsepower, give or take, is intake, charge pipe, downpipe. If you can see that. I got all of this stuff used as soon as I got the car. Like by the first month of me owning this car is already making over 500. If you see that line back there, that is my flex fuel sensor. So this car is able to run up to E50. That's what's, to me, is key to make, guarantee that you're making 5 or over. Honestly, to make 500 is such a cheat code in this car. It's like you don't even need any of these things, intake, charge pipes, or anything like that. This is just, nice spooling noises, like low cruises, I hear it. The charge pipe is just for safety after you start pushing more power. It was honestly all a deal package, and it was very cheap, very cheap. And like even aftermarket, people selling this on like Facebook Marketplace or whatever, they sell these parts very cheap. I don't know why it's so cheap, but it is what it is. All you really need to make 450 to 500, 450, a downpipe, cathas preferably, and that's for 450. Quick 450, easy all day, you'll make that. And what you need for 500, in my opinion, is the flex fuel, because you could run E30 without flex fuel, but it was. I'm not gonna say it was cheap. It was $650. That's what I think it retails for. This is Visconti flex fuel, and it's just a quicker, healthier way. Put E85 in your car. The car runs a little cooler. Just typical science. Quicker, healthier way to make 500. And then being that it can go up to E50 now on stock fuel lines, it's a no-brainer. I know people who did E30 and made 520, 530. So like I can almost honestly say I make at least 530 to the wheels. And I tested this car against other cars and it performed pretty good. My boss bought a 2020 GTR, the track edition, and that makes 600 horsepower. And to the wheels, it's probably like 570 or whatever. And I was neck to neck with that car. This car is not the lightest car, so it's not like I was saving too much weight on him. That's why I was neck to neck with him. But it performed pretty good. So like, I'm happy with how that came out. I look like a bum right now, so like I'm not even gonna, turn the camera around like that. I was gonna you know, recording on the GoPro, or I got my camera here, because I know I need to make this video for you guys. It's been, this car has been 500 for like 3 months already, and I haven't made the video. I posted a short of the car, you know, just doing a flyby. It sounded pretty nice, and you know, that video did pretty good as a short for what a short is. But I just decided to make this video just to make it, to have it out there, because this car is already about to go through the next transformation, and I can't fully show you guys, but I'll walk over and then go through some of the boxes. If you don't see what's in the background boxes, I got a fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump. I got, what is that called? That's called port injection. I got the reflex kit for it and everything. Port injection, reflex kit, all Visconti. I think this is the reflex like module in here, the head. Oh, maybe it's this. I don't know what that is. I got upgraded turbos. I'm not disclosing the brand yet, but upgraded turbo. It already has a T51R mod, and I can't wait for that, because, you know, I don't want you to see anything. Because, you know, just like cruising down the street, the car is just gonna whistle. Like, as you go, it's just gonna freaking whistle, sounding like a fighter jet. And I think at this point, the car, you know, I'm happy with the way it looks. It looks the part. It just need to be, I mean, it's fast. 500, a little over 500 is not, you know, nothing to play with a rear-wheel drive car. Good thing I have big tires in the back. I got Nito NT, what's the exact name of it? NT55 G2s. I've heard mixed reviews about it. It's not the greatest tire, but honestly, for 500, I hook pretty well. It's been cold. It's like, well, today's actually the hottest day. It's almost, what, like 50 degrees outside. But besides that, it's been like 30s, 37s, 20s. Yeah, it's cold outside. Of course, I'm not gonna hook, but like on a roll, I hook. It's fine. As soon as it gets hot, it hooks. It's a very, you know, it's a decently soft tire. That's a quick way I measure tires, to see how soft it is. Then the fronts, I think, is G-Maxes. Yeah, General G-Maxes. I don't know. It's doing its job. It's not, you know, it's not slipping out on me. It's, you know, all the powers to the back. But there's a quick rundown on how to make over 500. All you literally need is the downpipe, flex fuel. Honestly, that's like under $1,000 of parts brand new. And, you know, like I said, Facebook Marketplace, I see people reselling downpipes for like $200. And honestly, when I redo the turbo setup, all of these things are being changed anyways. Downpipe, intake, charge pipe. If any of you guys are local to Jersey and is interested in like buying, you know, things soon, I will have all these things for sale soon. Right now, I'm just finishing up these calipers for the night, and then we wrapped the Tesla today. We wrapped the nod of Tesla, or PPF, the nod of Tesla that already got picked up. This side of the shop, tuned up. He swapped the LS, I don't know which version of the LS, but LS into this, and it's gonna be a drift car. It has the angle kit and everything on it already. It's a fully running car. Can you see the angle kit? See that blue stuff in there? So the tires are very aggressive. It's sticking out a lot right now. Typical drift stuff. He redid the interior, more steering wheel. He redid all this flopping, I believe it's called. Did all the yellow, powder coated some stuff, added the hydro, bought the guy some cargo seats, gutted it. He's doing a good job. So this will be on the street soon, dual calipers. But yeah, this is the update of the car. Hopefully you guys like the content. I do have my Civic still. It is outside, kind of treating it like a stepchild. Then I don't know if you guys remembered, about a year ago I posted that I had like got an EK hatch, and I let it sit for a while. I've slowly fixed some issues on it, and now EK hatch is kind of my daily. You know, I drive it every once in the blue. I do want to do like it's automatic, so I don't really, you know, not much to do. I do want to do a little, you know, refresh on the body. The paint is kind of faded. Has some quarter panel rust. I'm gonna try to fix all that myself, like I usually try to do. Refresh the body, and I don't know what color I should do. If you guys have a suggestion of what color I should wrap the EK, leave it in the comments. It is currently, you know, the typical Honda red that EKs have. So I was thinking maybe I have a full shop right now. Bikes, cars, my car. I was thinking maybe wrap it red just to be, you know, simple. And or a fancier red. I did this on a, what did I do this on? Actually, I think this is my boss's color. He has it on his Ram. It shifts colors. I did this one on an NSX. The guy sold it, but this is a really nice color. I don't think I want to do any greens or anything. I do like them. Like, I really like this one. But I don't think I want to do that. My Supra is purple. I finally did a purple car, so I'm going to leave that alone. Or the second color, if not this color, the second color I would really want to do is one of these whites. Either this matte or satin white with a flake in it. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dusty. As I like a gold flake. Or more traditional pearl white. I have enough, EKs are small cars, so I have enough to do that. So either white or that red I showed you guys. If you guys are interested in helping me figure that out, put it in the comments. If you guys got this far to the video, if a lot of people actually comment, I'll just, you know, whoever got the most, I'll probably just wrap it that call after I finish doing some body works. I got brake pads and calipers and everything for the EK. So I did it, but I did the pads, but it still feels a little weak. So I'm just gonna fully change everything out because it's a little rusty. But thank you for joining and viewing my video after I neglected everyone who used to watch me. Hopefully I can get my algorithm back up. I miss YouTube. It's just been really cold, shitty weather. It's, you know, very busy. I don't really have time. Only time I have is nighttime. It's freaking dark outside right now. And, you know, I'm still not the most comfortable with it, just walking around with a camera outside, you know what I mean? So I've been making a lot of shorts lately. If you guys been paying attention to the shorts, and I started posting this same like content, like small contents on TikTok. If you guys want to join my TikTok, I believe is my name, Delon Moore or Delon Vendetta. That's what everything is going with. I am gonna custom wrap this car soon. We do have a car show coming up. If you're local to Jersey, DM me, I give you the info. I'm thinking like, you know how my Civic was with the cartoons, maybe something wild like that, or like a racing theme where, you know, racing not stripes, but like full livery, like traditional livery, like a race livery, one color here, stripes everywhere, colorful stripes, more things here. And then I seen a lot of the vendors for racing liveries had like words here, like a big sponsor. I'm thinking about putting Vendetta. I'm thinking about making Vendetta a brand. I've thought about this for like 5 years and I just literally never pulled the trigger. I'm thinking about making Vendetta a brand. I already pulled the shot with my license plates, so if you ever see this, you know who it is. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. Peace out till next time. I do have a lot of content coming, I hope, with everything I have over there that you can't see. And honestly, I should have really, you know, filmed. Look at the car. The last time you guys seen it was literally stock, like stock looking in purple. That was it. Look at, I could have filmed all of that. Which I did film this on a short content for shorts and maybe TikTok. But everything else, like, I could have showed all of this. It's a little dirty. This is literally my daily. I daily this car. But peace out. Thank you. Like and subscribe.